Hey, cruising up I-95 on the way to work this morning. Look at the smoke. Canadian wildfire smoke hovering over the sun. It's 6:20 in the morning. I was up at 4:20. Commodore Barry Bridge 322. I'm coming through Chester. But look at the damn haze, man. It was bad yesterday. It's supposed to be even worse today. Alright, so if you were going to go to New Jersey, this is where you would cut off 322 off of I-95 to go across. There's the... At one point was the murder capital of the world, Chester. It actually surpassed Philadelphia. Yeah, little city. But man, look at the smoke. Look at the smoke. I was just gonna make a short video of this, but no. Ah, shit.